Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As most of you are not subscribed, don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, today's dish is a Big Mac pizza. First thing we got to do is make our sauce. So to a mini food processor, I'm going to add a half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of diced dill pickles, 2 teaspoons of mustard, a teaspoon of white vinegar, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm going to blitz this for about, 30 seconds and put it in a container. And you want to essentially chill it out for an hour before we make our pizza. Now, the pizza dough recipe will be on the back end, as well as the sauce recipe. So if you'd like to know how to make that, please feel free to go to the end of the video. The only difference is I used double O flour for the pizza dough instead of all-purpose. You can certainly use all-purpose, but if you have the ability, I recommend getting double O. All right, let's build our pizza. All right, as you can see here, I've got a 9-inch pizza dough on a 9-inch pan. I've preheated the oven to 550 degrees, or as high as your oven can go. And then we want to add some cheddar cheese. This is some burger meat that I made. Somebody asked, is 550 a little too hot? No. Normal pizza ovens, commercial pizza ovens, run 7, 8, 900, 1,000 degrees. Okay, now it's time to add some pickle slices to it. And then we want to pop this into the oven for approximately 6 minutes, or until the cheese is ooey gooey and melty and the edges are golden brown. And after a few minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. So that's Big Mac pizza. Oh, and gonna add some shredders to this. So that's Big Mac pizza. Done. So here's how we make the pizza dough. In a bowl, as you can see here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of instant dry active yeast. If you use regular active dry yeast, not the instant stuff, then you will have to warm up the beer to about 110, give or take. Then we want to add a teaspoon and a half of sea salt. And then you want to add 16 ounces or 1 tall boy of beer. Can be pretty much any beer you like. I just go with Budweiser because that's what I like. Okie dokie. Then we just want to get our paddle attachment and turn it on and let this mix around, knead around for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I took the dough out, formed it into a ball, got about, a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon worth of olive oil, covered it. Then I covered the bowl with a towel, put it in a depowered oven, oven that's turned off, and let that proof for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I divided it into 5-ounce balls, covered them on a baking sheet, and let them proof again for about 45 minutes. Now, if you want this dough to develop flavor further, seal the, put it in either a Tupperware thing and seal that, or cover this in clear film and leave that down in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. All right, that's pretty much the dough recipe.